Hello, this is Kenneth from Navixy, and welcome to another how-to video. Today, we're going to show you how to quickly connect your Data Hub instance for visualization within Grafana. To begin, please have a Grafana account and select data sources on the side. From here, we will add new data source and search for Postgres. Within the settings page, please name it fittingly. Then we can begin customizing this to match your instance. The information required is host URL, database name, username, and password. For our purposes today, we're using real data, so we have not shown the real database access information. However, all of this information will be available to you with your Data Hub instance. And if you need assistance gathering this info, please contact your Customer Success Manager or reach out to Navixy support. With the database information input, please select Save and Test at the bottom. Once created, we can begin creating a new dashboard utilizing this data source. We can click Build Dashboard up at the top. Then click Visualization. Then we are prompted to select the source we created. In our example, ours is labeled PostgreSQL. Select it, and then we are able to visualize anything we want gathered by database queries. Opening up the data source toward the bottom of the page, we can select Code on the right-hand side. This allows us to input a database query directly into the visualization. I have a pre-made script that will show us the board voltage reading for a given device. Click Run Query just to verify. Zoom to data. With a simple query, we immediately get several meaningful metrics on one chart, a typical telemetry scenario to find anomalies. And then let's click Save. Now we'll demonstrate creating a variable for easy device selection. Going to the dashboard settings and clicking on Variables, Add Variable. We'll give it a name. Object in this case. Select the working data source created previously and input a pre-made SQL query for returning the device list for a given user. Verify the query works and save. Going back to the dashboard, we'll also need to update the query to allow for the variable we created. So inputting that and running query. And now on changing the object, we see different values. And then clicking Save. Moving on, let's demonstrate how to export this created dashboard. In the top right, we're able to hit Export and Export as Code. Then we're able to save as a JSON. This JSON file could be used from our GitHub repository so everyone can reuse ready-made templates and adjust them if needed. Then on the other end of the spectrum, we can demonstrate importing this as a net new dashboard. Any client can recreate the same dashboard in seconds using our GitHub templates. Going to Dashboards, New, Import. And then we select the file we created, change the name, change the UID because it's the same account, and import. And voila, such an easy import. Now, this is just a quick example. However, the power of Grafana along with Data Hub brings many display options of your data for quicker review. If you need assistance with what data from the Data Hub is possible, please reach out to the Navixy team today. However, if it's more specific to Grafana visualization, it might be more helpful to reach out to the Grafana team instead. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more, please reach out to your Navixy sales or support team today.